there everyone, Ma Terry here, and I wanted to go over with you. I bought several products like this, and I wanted to show you what all I bought, but why did I buy them all? Now, I think I have somewhere in between 7 to 9 products to go over, and they are not going in my van. I'm only bringing 2 of them in my van. The rest are here when I'm with Mr. Louie. I just love these products, and I hope you do love them too. And I'm going to tell you why I love the products first of all. Okay, if I just want something small, I don't have to heat up my whole van. You bring out the butane stove, you turn it on, you just want something, a snack or something, and before you know it, the whole van, if it's 80 degrees outside, it's going to be really uncomfortable in your vehicle. So that's what I don't like. And I was here last summer, and we just didn't want to heat up the house and cook. So that makes it really nice. And the other thing is it's great for one person or 2 people. I don't have to cook those big family meals anymore, so this makes it perfect. This is very low wattage. It's only pulls 260 watts, so I have no problem pulling it with my batteries. The other thing, okay, what makes me mad? Okay, you go to a hotel, especially in Las Vegas, they don't put coffee makers in your room. Why? Because they want you to get out of bed and go downstairs into the casino, hoping that you'll throw a few shekels in. Well, you can just plug it in. There you go. I have my coffee. And plus, I don't want to get out of bed in the morning really to go get coffee. Okay, I'll walk from my bedroom to the kitchen to get coffee, but I don't want to get dressed, go downstairs, and have to hassle with the coffee people. So there you go. All right, and then restaurants are known for giving you way too much food. So this, I can reheat just the portion I want. In fact, that's another good thing. It's perfect portion control for me. I promise you, I eat this, and this is one meal. You can't have too many calories right there. And also, it's healthier than eating out. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. All right, so there's 2 different manufacturers. This is Nostalgia My Mini, and I absolutely love it. But that's just one of the things that I have. I love this little thing. Also, I want to say, if you went out and bought a fry pan, okay, this is a small fry pan, but technically it comes with 2 fry pans. Well, both of these and the hot plate is $10, and a lid. Good luck finding anything like that in Southern California. All right, I'm going to put that aside. That's my little mini noodle cooker. Love it. And that's by Nostalgia. And the other one that I have by Nostalgia is my sandwich maker. Now, what I like to do with this one, and this is higher wattage. I believe this is 550. Don't hold me to that. All right, so that's what the sandwich maker looks like, and I love throwing in corn tortillas, and then you can put like rice, beans, meat, and everything, corn tortillas on top, and then heat it up. It takes a couple of minutes, and oh my gosh, you have a delicious, I don't know what I made, but a Mexican sandwich. Okay, but I do like hot sandwiches, so this is great for that. So that's it of the Nostalgia products that I have. Now then, back to Dash. Oh, my mini. All right. So I do have the waffle makers. I love the waffle makers. Like when I visit my sister, I'll have her waffle maker going, my waffle maker going. Why? Because we make chaffles, which is half cheddar cheese and half eggs. And you do that when you're on the keto diet. So next thing, and I'm thinking about returning this one. This one draws 350 watts, but it's an egg cooker. And believe it or not, I have never had those. What are those eggs called? Poached eggs. I've never had a poached egg. And I thought, wow, this would be great. But, you go to a store, sometimes you can buy a dozen eggs for $2 or like 6 hard-boiled eggs that have been deshelled, and it's $4 or $5. And you're like, what? So I was hoping I could make my own hard-boiled eggs, but I saw another one of these products. Now remember, these are Dash products. Saw another one of these products, and people are cooking their eggs in the My Mini rice cooker. So I think I'm going to trade that for that. And the 2 I'm going to travel with is My Mini rice cooker and this one, My Mini noodle cooker. I think with those two, I have a complete cook set. So that's the rice cooker. You can make rice in it, pasta, macaroni and cheese, and apparently you can boil eggs, soft boil eggs. We're going to do some experiments with that. All right. Now then, when I'm in town with Mr. Louie, I got a few things. All right, so this is the bowl maker. It'll make a waffle bowl. Now, we would never fill it with ice cream or anything. We would probably get a corn tortilla or a flour tortilla. We have taco salads out here that they make in bowls, so that would be fun. I've seen some YouTubers try to put potatoes and make a little bowl out of potatoes, all sorts of different things. Let's see what it says. Make it sweet, make it savory. Fill bowl with eggs or popcorn chicken for a personalized snack. It doesn't really say, but yeah, I've seen them do a lot of different things with these bowl makers. And then next, don't you love a good turkey pot pie? Again, I'm not big on the sweets, but this is so neat. This is the mini pie maker, and of course I've got all these on sale and on a mega sale that Dash had a couple of months ago. But I've been sick. Okay, so the Dash Mini Pie Maker. What would I do with it? I'd make chicken pot pies, all sorts of different pot pies. I mean, it's so simple to do, and you think the crust is hard. Well, this comes with the 2 cutters to cut the bottom crust and the top crust to make a pie. And how many watts are we talking? We didn't put it on the machine. I have it written down. I believe it's, I'm not going to guess, but it was low wattage. The ones that were higher wattage, I didn't even bother getting. You never know. These could wind up in my van, but I don't think so. Next. Okay. So these two, 350 watts each. Why? Because like this, it's a grill, but the top of the grill and the bottom of the grill both get hot. So you're cooking on both sides. Now, I'm going to try this with my Blue Eddy. So the griddle... Okay, the griddle doesn't have the little waves in it. Like the hamburger, you would want the little waves in it. But the griddle, okay. See, I don't know why we wouldn't just use my mini noodle cooker on that. But like I said, I wanted to do different experiments on these two. And I think these were like each one under $10. I got an amazing sale. And last but not least, okay, being Italian, the mini pizzelle maker. I grew up living on pizzelles. Now, with this, you can make pizzelles, you can make cannoli and roll them up. You can make all sorts of different types of cookies. So I love it. Now, the things I didn't buy the toaster, and I believe the toaster was 500 watts. Why? Because this one does a really good job with crisping up bread. You don't spray the bottom, you put your bread on the bottom, or, you know, if you want butter on your bread. We saw that I made toast really good, right? So I didn't get the toaster. There were quite a few others that I took a pass on. Which ones did I? The popcorn maker. I didn't get the popcorn maker. It was like 1,000 watts or something. They do have low wattage blenders, so that may go next in there. I don't know why I need a blender. I do the Atkins shakes, which I really love. And it's like you just have to shake the bottle, but the blender will make it extra bubbly. So that one looked good. They do have a crock pot. They have this huge kettle. But again, the wattage draw is way too big for me. And I really wanted to go with low wattage appliances. Well, all right. So here's where I ask you questions. Number one, I know a lot of my viewers went out and got my mini noodle cooker. I love it. Oh my gosh, I make so many wonderful things with it. And a couple of viewers wrote in on how to do cookies better, so I'm going to try. And why is that so important? Because I'm the type of person, okay, it's just me, I can only eat one cookie. That's it. Okay, when I was making the cookies, maybe I had a cookie and a half, but that's it. And why would I want to heat up a whole oven to make a tray of cookies? Isn't it better just to have one cookie coming out of your own little personal oven? Well, I think so. Yeah, the great cookie fiasco. But do you guys have any My Mini products? Did I miss any My Mini products? Which ones do you like? I am so curious to hear because we all do a lot of camping, and anything that's going to simplify our lives, makes my life so much better. Also, I got the Blue Eddy. I listened to Bob, and what does that have to do with this? The Blue Eddy power bank. All right, now according to Bob, according to Blue Eddy's website, my Goal Zero can't handle anything over 300 watts, and I will not even test or try this product on it. But Blue Eddy's going, go ahead, go ahead. You know, you can basically run a jet on a Blue Eddy, you know, my little 600-watt generator. So you know what? We're going to try. And Blue Eddy is in Las Vegas. And you know what? If it gives me any problem, I will just take it over to Las Vegas and say, fix it. I mean, it's on their website. Anyhow, I am going to do a full video on Blue Eddy. There were some things I love about Blue Eddy. I hated ordering from Blue Eddy. I'll tell you what went wrong in my Blue Eddy video. We are moving right along, aren't we? Thank you guys for being with me on my journal. And as always, I will see you all down the road. Bye.